Hey guys. Hey guys, I need to turn this off because this is annoying. Oh, thank God. So annoying. Anywho, I am at the hotel. I'm in Orlando and I am exhausted as heck. Like super exhausted. 3 legs today, and when we got on our first leg, we had to switch plane in Orlando. So we had to go outside security and then come back through security to get on the other plane going to Austin. And man, it was just tiring. Got to Austin, only have like a few minutes, then we came back to Orlando. And we're gonna have 12-hour layover today. Our report time is at 6:30 or a van time in the morning. And I'm just gonna eat something real quick, shower, and just jump in the bed because I am exhausted. And my lip is not getting better at all. It was getting better at one point, but it's not. So for sure now I have to go to the dermatologist, and I'm wondering if it's the mask and the makeup messing around. I don't know what the heck, but I need to schedule an appointment to see the dermatologist for real. Figure what's going on with that. Let me show you guys my window view, my room view. That's my view from my hotel. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's like my lip is driving me crazy. I need to schedule a dermatologist appointment tomorrow. Anyhow, it is 5 o'clock in the morning, and I am running a little bit late. I'm supposed to get up a little earlier. So I'm gonna get dressed, put my face on, and then head out of here. Talk to you guys later. But look at my lip. This is so bad. So bad. And this is what the blue mask did to my lip when I was wearing it. And since that, I thought that if I stop wearing it, it will actually go away. When I stop wearing it, it will go away. But it haven't gone away yet. And my lip look more swollen than anything else. So I need to figure out what the heck is going on. Alright guys, so I am ready and I'm getting out of here. Sorry about the noise. I'm drawing my mask. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get breakfast. Probably won't be able to vlog because there's gonna be a lot of crew down there, other people down there, so I won't be able to vlog. Today's go home day for me. Happy. I have a 2-hour sit after this flight. This flight's gonna be like an hour or less. I have a 2-hour sit. On this sit, I'm probably gonna take a nap because my last leg is super long. But gotta go. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. And I'll talk to you guys when I get either on a plane or what. I'm not sure yet. But talk to you guys later. Okay guys, on the plane right now. We have like 30 minutes to spare. We came super early. Just chilling. My crew are up there talking and stuff, but I'm gonna take me a 30-minute nap since I have 30 minutes to spare. I need to get these nap in, man, because these early mornings are killing me. I'm in a different time zone. But short flight, 50 minutes flight, up and down, love it, like it. Then sit for two hours and some change. It's cold here in Florida. Like, it's cold. And since I'm on this plane, it's even colder on this plane. Palace are not here yet, so I did my pre-flight check and everything. I'm gonna take me a nap and go home today. Go home day today. Supposed to be getting to Vegas at like 4 o'clock. Go to the garage. And today's the last day to actually park in a parking garage because they're gonna be closing it down due to low demand in the airlines, and they're gonna move us over to another section. So crazy. And there's a lot of changes happening in the airline industry for passengers. I think I may do a separate video for that because a lot of people probably will not watch this video, so I think I'm gonna do a separate video dedicated to travel restrictions now. So I'll do another video. because all the airlines are going to be having the same rule when it comes to certain things. And if people are unaware of that, it's gonna be really sucks. Anyhow, I'm gonna go take me a nap, get up, board this flight, and take me another nap. And then board the flight again. And then I repeat it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey everyone, so I am back home. Guys, I didn't vlog, man, because I was just I'm just so exhausted. So exhausted. It was a long day. Different time zone, early morning. And all my little the little rest that we have in terms of like our layover time on the aircraft. So we had like one of them we had like 30 minutes, and the 30 minutes I tried to nap on the 30 minutes before boarding. But I'm tired. Right now I'm gonna take my clothes off, jump in the shower, and hit the bed, because these flights were a killer. They were killing me, these flights. Just too much. So that's why I haven't do any video, because my layover was short, 12-hour layover, and the days were super long. I have a virtual visit with my dermatologist tomorrow. Thank goodness that he does virtual visit, because I didn't want to fly to Miami to see him, so he can tell me what's going on with my lip and prescribe some medicine for my lip, because I don't know what the frick is going on with it. Because I said when I wear the blue mask, it might made my lip like this, and I haven't stopped wearing it for like a week, 2 weeks now, and it should have been going back better, but it's not. So I'm guessing I need some medication for it to go back to its original stage. So yeah, so I'm not gonna be doing anything much right now, because I'm gonna sleep. My mom is coming to town tomorrow night. Struggle is over now. Anyway guys, talk to y'all later. Alright guys, so I am back from the grocery store. I did get my FedEx packages, and I was like, yay. They actually called me the other day, let me know that they were gonna mail it out. So I'm super happy. So I did order the express envelopes. I think it was like 100 of them, and I did order the larger ones, which is probably for legal paper. I haven't received this one as yet, so I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. And I haven't figured out how to get my UPS account up and running, so I guess on my layover I'll call them and set up a UPS account so I can get supplies mailed to me. So when I start my first loan signing, and I can when I start my first signing, I have all the things that I'll need. I still haven't set up the scanner as yet. I need to get that done, and I still haven't got the printer. The printer is to actually print, so I'm not sure what the heck is going on with that. So I may wait until my next day off to figure that out. Go from there. I'll order a notary bag, but I believe it's $27 on Amazon. That I probably ordered that, a black one. And what else do I need to order? Just little things, nothing crazy. I can order on my layover, and I'll be ready to go for it. Just need to go over the documents and stuff, and yeah, and I'll be ready. I'm gonna start bringing my my loan signing book. Where it is, I need to start bringing my loan signing book and review that either when I'm on the airplane or on my layover, one of those two. I'm not sure what I know, so but I need to bring it so at least I can look at the how the documents look like in the meantime, so I figure out what the heck is going on with this printer. And I also have to study for my recurrent that's coming up next month, and I need to pass that. The struggle is real. So next couple weeks I am super busy. I do have a couple meetings coming up in a couple of weeks with a couple of clients. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's 10:27 in the morning. This is the only day off that I have, so I have a lot of things I need to get done. I have an appointment at 2:15 with my dermatologist, which is a virtual appointment, and he's in Miami, I'm in Vegas, so we're gonna figure out what's going on with my lip. If you guys been watching my channel, you guys will see that my lip basically changing color. Sometimes it's getting better and sometimes it looks like it's getting worse, so it's kind of like iffy. So here it is now. Now the top part of my lip is getting darker. Before it wasn't that dark, it was only the bottom. So hopefully he can figure out what's going on, give me some cream I can go to, or yeah, cream or something, I don't know, and I can go to the store and pick it up before I leave on my trip. Now I'm rushing out. It's freezing cold out here, man. It's cold. So I'm going to the mailbox, and I need to get the little groceries, not too much because I'm on a budget. Yeah, I know I'm on a tight budget. So probably just gonna get I need to get at least 3 dinners, 3 lunch, and 2 breakfasts, so items can make those things at the grocery store. And snacks, not too much snacks, but I also try to bring my oranges with me to get some vitamin C in, because most of the places I'm going are cold weather. So I need to buy probably 2 more oranges for that. And yeah, probably might not bring my camera with me because it's freezing cold outside. So I'll probably just leave my camera. I haven't uploaded a vlog yet because my trips have been super crazy and I haven't had time to edit. So hopefully when I come back I can edit a couple of vlogs and then upload them. Hopefully I can do that. I'm gonna do that when I come in before my virtual visit. So I think that's everything that I covered for right now. And yeah, I'll be back, go to grocery shopping, and I'll be right back.